Active voice and passive voice. Active voice means subject performs an action. Passive voice means object performs an action. Okay, when we want to change an active voice sentence into passive voice, we use this principle. OHV3 by P. Object to helping verb, verb third form by preposition pronoun. Okay, for example, I write a letter. I is the subject, write is the verb, a letter is the object. Okay, first we write to object, a letter, next helping verb. I write a letter, this is the simple present tense sentence. When we change a simple present tense sentence into passive voice, we write to am, is, are. Any one from these three helping verbs we have to choose. According to this object, it comes under it. So, in the present continuous tense, we write is helping verb. He, she, it. If the subjects are he, she, it, we write is helping verb. So, a letter is. Next, verb third form. Written. Next, by preposition. Next, pronoun. Pronoun means here we have written I, that changes into me. Okay, when we change passive sentence into active voice, we use these principles. Subject to verb 1, object in the simple present tense. Subject to verb second form, object in the simple past tense. Other than these two tenses, we write subject helping verb, verb form, object. Okay, a mango is eaten by me. This is the passive voice sentence. Okay, we find this sentence by helping verb. Here I have seen is helping verb. So I have to write this sentence in the simple present tense. So in the simple present tense, the structure is subject to verb 1, object. Okay, me changes into I. Then subject is written by me. Then verb 1. Here eaten, this is the passive voice. That's why I have written V3. Then this verb 3 is changed here as verb 1 because verb 1 is written in the simple present tense. Okay, I eat, then object. S plus V1 plus object. I eat a banana. I eat a mango. Okay, this is over. We write object to first in the passive voice. Then object to, we write to object first in the passive voice. Then helping verb. Okay, this is the very important. If we are able to write helping verb in the passive voice, we can write any sentence into passive voice. One means a simple present tense. When we change a simple present tense sentence into passive voice, we use am, is, are. Any one from these three helping verbs. Here, I write a letter. A letter is written by me. That is wrote, was, were. Next, wrote, was, were. Was, were means this is fifth tense. These are the helping verbs of sixth tense. Shall write, will write. This is the ninth tense. Will be is the 10th tense. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present continuous to past continuous to future continuous. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay, next to present continuous. 2. Am, is, are writing. Am, is, are being. Was, were writing. Past continuous. Was, were being. Here we are using additionally being a word. Why do we write to being word in the passive voice? We have to know that here an action is continuing in the present continuous. In the passive voice we are going to use verb third. So there is a meaning change. That's why to get the right meaning in the right form, the being word is used. Okay, have written, have, has written. This is the present perfect tense. Have been, has been. Present perfect continuous helping verbs. Had written, past perfect. Had been, past perfect continuous helping verb. Shall I have, will I have written. Future perfect tense. Shall I have been, will I have been. Future perfect continuous helping verbs. Okay, verb third form is used in the passive voice. By preposition is used in the passive voice. If the pronouns are we find in the active voice, those pronouns are changed like this in the passive voice. I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. For example, first one, first I, simple present tense, 1. We have to use present continuous tense helping verbs. Okay, 1, 2. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. 5, 6. I wrote a letter. 5 means a simple past tense. Subject plus verb second form. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. I shall write a letter. This is ninth tense. A letter will be written by me. Just here we are finding that verb, helping verb is changed. Everything is as usual. Just here is, here was, here we find will be. A letter is written by me, a letter was written by me, a letter will be written by me. Okay, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, tenses are over. Next, present continuous. I am writing a letter. A letter is being written by me. Being a word is additionally used here. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. Being additionally used. This is present perfect tense. I have written a letter. A letter has been written by me. I have written a letter. This is the present perfect tense. Okay, when we change the present perfect tense sentences into passive voice, so we have to use present perfect continuous self verb. In the present perfect continuous so I, we, you, they have been, he, she, it has been. A letter comes under it, so has been helping verb is used. I had written a letter. This is past perfect tense. A letter had been written by me. This is had been is the present past perfect conditions. I shall have written a letter. A letter will have been written by me. 11th, 12th. Okay. Next, affirmative, negative, imperative, negative, right. I speak English. S plus V1. This is simple present tense. Naturally, we know that we should use present continuous helping verbs in the passive voice. English is spoken by me. Okay. I change this affirmative sentence into negative form. I don't speak English. English is not spoken by me. I speak English is changed into interrogative sentence. Do I speak English? Is English spoken by me? Okay, I speak English is changed into negative interrogative form. Do I not speak English? Is English not spoken by me? Okay, these are all. Next, no object. No object means just here we find subject and verb. We don't find object. So at that time, how can we change that sentence into passive voice? This is very important. So here, I eat means this is a simple present tense. This is simple present tense because I subject to eat verb 1. Subject is verb 1 means that is simple present tense. When we change simple present tense sentences into passive voice, we use present continuous helping verbs. What are the present continuous helping verbs? Am, is, are. Okay. Here no object, so I eat changed like as I am eaten. Am is the present continuous helping verb. In the present continuous sense, I subject to carries am helping verb. So I am eaten. I ate simple past tense. I ate simple past tense. I was eaten. I shall eat. I shall be eaten. I am eating. I am being eaten. I was eating. I was being eaten. I have eaten. I have been eaten. And 7th tense, I had eaten. 8th tense, I had been eaten. 11th tense, I shall have eaten. 12th tense, I shall have been eaten. No subject. No subject means here we don't find the subject. When we don't find the subject in the active voice, we use this principle: let plus subject plus be plus V3. Okay, for example, ask a question. Here just we are finding helping verb and object. No subject. So at that time we use this principle: let, then object means a question, then be, then V3. V3 ask changed into asked. Let a question be asked. For example, write a letter. Let a letter be written. Post this letter. Let this letter be posted. Okay. Someone. Instead of a subject to someone is used here. Okay, someone gives means subject plus verb 1. This is simple present tense. Naturally, we can use present continuous helping verbs in the passive voice. Okay, a gift is given. Someone gave a gift. A gift was given. Someone will give a gift. A gift will be given. Someone is giving a gift. A gift is being given. Someone was giving a gift. A gift was being given. Someone has given a gift. A gift has been given. Someone had given a gift. A gift had been given. We don't write to someone. We don't write by someone. Someone will have given a gift. A gift will have been given. by someone is not used by us. Here a gift is given, that's all. By someone, if we use by someone, it is wrong sentence. A gift is given, that's all, that's enough. Who? Okay, if a sentence begins with who, we change that sentence like this. Who catches the thief? By whom is caught the thief? Who catches means this is simple present tense. So here I am using present continuous helping verb. By whom is caught the thief? Who caught the thief? By whom was caught the thief? Who will catch the thief? By whom will be caught the thief? Next, who is catching the thief? By whom is being caught the thief? Who was catching the thief? By whom was being caught the thief? Who has caught the thief? By whom has been caught the thief? Who had caught the thief? By whom had been caught the thief? Who will have caught the thief? By whom will have been caught the thief? Okay, next, shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, might. Okay, if these helping verbs are found by me, I add be word additionally with them. Okay, I can lift this chair. This chair can be lifted by me. Okay, you should take this pen. This pen should be taken by me. Be word is used here additionally. Okay, shall have, will have, could have, might have. If these helping verbs are found by me, I have written those sentences like this. I could have done this project. This project could have been done by me. Shall have, will have, could have, might have are changed like shall have been, will have been, could have been, might have been. Okay, when do you write a novel? Okay, when, where, why, whose, whom, how. If the sentences begin with WH questions or how, would we write those sentences or we change those sentences into passages like this? When do you write a novel? When is a novel written by me? By you.